In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. So it is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradingview.com. From here it should bring something like this, and here you'll either need to sign into your account by clicking up here, or get a new account by clicking get started, and then from here you can click sign up, where you can sign up using your Google ID or your email address or your Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn ID. Once you have successfully logged in, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the products tab up here, and then from here it should bring something like this, where you can see all your charts and everything like so. From here you'll need to go down to trading panel, and then from here you'll need to go down and find Tradovate. And to do that you'll simply need to scroll down and click show all brokers, and then you can either find it manually or search for it right here, like so. Once you have found it, you can either add it to your favorites to select it a bit quicker next time you're going to connect your accounts, or you can just click on it, and from here you'll see this page. From here you'll need to choose between live or demo account depending on what type of account you have on Tradovate. So let's say I have a live account, I want to connect to my TradingView account. From here I'll need to enter my Tradovate username by clicking right here, and my password by clicking right here. Once you have done that, you'll simply need to click connect, and then from here you'll be directed into TradingView again, where it will say that your Tradovate has successfully been connected to TradingView. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!